Okay, so for level 6, we want to add a bass line and then extend our composition to 8 bars long. So let's make a bass line first, MIDI instruments. Now with the bass line, it can be 1 bar, 2 bars or 4 bars long. I'm going to do a 4 bar bass line, and I'm going to go for synth bass. Yeah, why not a classic synth? Okay, quantize on. So I'm going to have a bit of syncopation in it. Something like that. Okay, let me just record it and see how it goes. So I'm starting on C, and I'm using a bit of syncopation, and I'm making it 4 bars long. Okay, that's not what I wanted to do. I'm going to start again. Apologies. That's why I should practice first. There we go. Okay, let's hear how that sounded. Cool. So, first thing I'm going to do now, this looks like it's a bit long. First thing I'm going to do is copy and paste my parts. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. Now, so my width is 4 bars long. My bass line is 4 bars long. Now I've got that first bar. It's different. So my drums, I want to have a drum fill. So let's make this 2 bars, and then I'm going to record a drum fill in bar 4. There we go. So in bar 4, I had a drum fill. Just want to shorten that. Okay, so now this is 8 bars long, and that drum fill means that the second 4 bars are not the same as the first 4 bars. There we go.